Hi class, welcome to Mr. Dardis' second grade mathematics, and this is the lesson I would like my students to do today, you guys. So let's go through the to-do list first. So we'll click on it, and my instructions on the to-do list is read my instructions on Google Classroom, access the Google Slides and complete the following activities I have listed, answer the exit ticket poll, and try your best, be attentive, and most of all, have a great day. So now let's go to Google Slides. And what I am going to show is we're gonna list some goals today. So I want you guys to be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound. So try to do it in a good time basis. Don't try to wait till the last minute to do it. So our opening lesson, we're going to start off with counting shapes. So just quick counting exercise to help refine your skills. And this is the video that I will have. So you watch a video, and then you're going to try to do it yourself, and then you'll get the answer later in the video. So that'll be very helpful. Our second activity is a Kahoot. Everyone loves a Kahoot. Just addition and subtractions to get our skills going. Then we have another counting exercise. This is with bigger numbers, so this may be a little difficult, but I think that you guys can do it. And I think this will really refine our skills for what we need to do. And then the closing activity, I would like you guys to do this Quizlet. It's only a couple questions. Just try your best. Do the quiz side. Don't. You could read the flashcards before and then try to take a quiz. And if you don't do well, it's okay. And then that's why I have this exit ticket. So for tomorrow, I would like you to go back on this lesson just to refine some skills if you struggle in the Quizlet. And I will always be there if you need any questions, and email me. And this is what this form is for, just for me to get some insight for how you guys did on this lesson. So let me know if you have any questions, and thank you. Have a nice day.